What's going on, YouTube, traders, investors? Today we're going to look at the Robinhood portfolio for the month of June. And if you watched the previous video, you already know, basically I'm starting over from scratch. Let's get into it. Before we get in the video, there's going to be a link for Robinhood in the description below. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock. It's all good, and you stand the chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, or Ford stock. The odds are on the screen right now. Pause this if you have to. Use that link and sign up. All right, here we are on the home screen of the Robinhood web platform. Today we're up 4.78%. Not much, but if you watched the previous video, you know basically I'm starting over from scratch. $100 a week Robinhood challenge, or maybe a little more depending on how the budget is that month. But yeah, we're gonna get into these 4 stocks, and if you stay tuned, I'm gonna buy a stock today. It's kind of a controversial stock. But we have $9 left over from yesterday, the initial 115. So stay tuned and you'll see the stock. Okay, we're back, and the first stock is ticker symbol APHA, APHA. We bought this yesterday and we're up 5.51% as of today, with the average cost of $631, and it's sitting at not a good number right now, 666. Sheesh. Not a good number. We need to move up or down, I don't care. But yeah, got into this yesterday. Already up 5+%, which we only have 4 shares, but it's the percentages that count. Moving on. The next one is Kronos Group, ticker symbol CRON. We got an average cost of $13.60. We only have 2 shares, but we're up 4.99%. It's only one day, but hey. And these stocks are volatile, so this could be wiped away tomorrow, or maybe not. But Kronos, I've been looking at Kronos for a while. It was on a monster dip, and for them to have almost $2 billion worth of money because Altria invested it into them, you know, I say it's up from here. Moving on. The third stock is going to be Aurora Cannabis, ticker symbol ACB. We got in at an average cost of $7.16. We're up a whopping 8.28% today. Granted, we only have 4 shares, but if you look at this chart, that's pretty much a straight line up. And I know Aurora is going to be one of the bigger players when it comes to the cannabis sector. They're making a lot of acquisitions. They could be the Amazon of weed. You know? It's gonna take some time though. It's gonna take some time. But like I said, we got in yesterday. 4 shares, average cost $7.16. It's up to $7.75 today. Moving on to the last stock. And then we're gonna get into the stock that we're gonna purchase today. And the last stock in the portfolio for the month of June is going to be Hexo. We got in at an average cost of $6.22. We're up 2.41% today. And like I told you yesterday, Hexo is more of a premium play when it comes to marijuana. They're working on the premium packaging, premium product, premium everything. And they already partnered with Molson Coors. So this is going to conclude the stocks that we have in the portfolio because we had to start over. So, but we're going to purchase a stock today. I'll be right back. And the surprise stock purchase today is going to be NEO. We got $9.04. So we can only get 2 shares. So we're going to go ahead, go up here, limit order 304. 2 shares, total of 608. Gonna review the order, submit buy, And bam, we purchased 2 shares of NEO at $3.04. And as you know, NEO has been controversial, not in a good way, because they've dropped so much since that episode on the news. I believe it was 60 Minutes or something like that. They flew up and then they've crashed down. But I guess they had some good news come out today. And tomorrow I'll probably do a video on NEO, a closer look video on NEO, so we can get in the charts and just see where this controversial stock may be going. Until then, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like, hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.